345 gang, what's happening, man? New guy, Mr. Why Not, back up in here with another video. Man, before I get this video started, I just want to let y'all know this video right here, man, I've been pretty much made this video. Really, it's just a couple with me and my guy just hanging out. We just hanging out, chilling, riding around through Memphis, doing a little B-roll, little photo shoots and this and that, just riding through the city. So hey, I'm about to get back on it, man. I know y'all been. I said that I've been gone for a minute, too long for a minute. A month is too long, man, for me not to drop a video. And I got two videos in my phone that I've been so busy I ain't upload the video. I got a St. Patrick's Day video that I haven't even uploaded yet, but yeah, man, I'm back up in here though, man. I'm finna get this thing back jumping off and everything. I know a lot of people been asking me when I'm gonna drop another video, so here I go. I'm about to get this thing back popping, man, and really I need to start dropping the truck vlogs too. Everybody been telling me to do a truck vlog, man, but I haven't did it yet. I drive trucks every day, so hey, man, I think I'm gonna start doing that also. But yeah, this video right here, me and my guys hanging out doing what we do, just riding around through the city. Me and my team, Double AMCC, that's my car club. So yeah, other than that, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Hit that like button. Drop in the comments. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see me do and all this. I got a big surprise coming. Well, I ain't no say surprise, but I am going to be redoing my car. Yes, I am. I'm going to be doing it over again. So, in a couple months, yeah, I'll be doing it over again. So, y'all just stay tuned and watch out for that. But like I said, y'all go ahead and hit the subscribe button for you guys. You ain't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to your guys' channel, man. We're going to go ahead and jump straight into the video. So, let's go. Hey, yeah, when this video go off, it's just gonna go off. So I don't got no ending to it and all that. So when this video is over, it's just over. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all might see me in the city near you pretty soon. So y'all stay looking out for your guy. Tell your friends, tell your home guy, your home girl, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your aunt. Man, y'all go ahead and support your guys going up. I'm finna make this. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I know I can do it. I'm gonna stay on it till I do it. Hey, ain't no stopping me. I can't nothing stop me but myself. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. When this video off, that's off. I'll let you later. Peace.
In the bed.
Man, that's so hard, man. Oh, that's hard. Damn, Walls chasing me. they look good. They look so good.
Really? In the back? What you think, Beckworth?
Nah, you wouldn't do that. And now we'll have to put a bullet in his cranium. We'll never know who fastest really is, now will we?
That's how to play.
I be posted at the stop sign on the corner. I be posted at the stop sign on the corner. We ain't going nowhere. I be posted like a light pole, posted like a tree, posted like some rich nigga. Ain't no running. I be posted at the stop sign on the corner. Like a brick wall. Posted at the stop sign on the corner. I see the law, nigga. What? Posted like a light pole, posted like a tree, posted like some rich nigga. Ain't no running. I be posted.
I gotta hand it to you, boy. You do know how to make a grand entrance.
Shit, I ain't even rehearsed that one.
You know, quick draw.
Breaking down these bills,
Really?
it ain't hard to tell. He didn't go
In the
to
back.
jail, bitch, we working off the scale. We be getting mail first and
What you think, Big Word?
Ride for my niggas,
Nah,
put
you
that
wouldn't do
on
that.
the holy grail. We got choppers,
Put a
loaded
bullet in his
cartridges. Put that on my
You wouldn't
mama,
have no
bitch.
fast
Run up
shit.
on the young and wrong. Talking ain't no option. Drills, bullet holes, and reaching dope. Licking up bitches. I be posted, it ain't no six shoot. We got monkey nuts galore. 100 round drum. Dumb, come and get some. Tuck your tail and run. Stay around from big fun. Welcome to the big gun club. Be quick or quit drawing. Out here in these streets, it's like a tale from Donna Boone.
Quick draw. That love is dead, man. Get on your horse, get your shit, go back to whatever it is you call. I gotta hand it to you, boy. You do know how to make it.
No, that's impossible.
I be posted at the stop sign on the corner. I be posted at the stop sign on the corner. We ain't going nowhere. I be posted like a light pole, posted like a tree, posted like some rookie nigga. Ain't no running home. I be posted at the stop sign on the corner. Like a brick wall. Posted at the stop sign on the corner. I see the law, nigga. What? Posted like a light pole, posted like a tree, posted like some rookie nigga. Ain't no running home. Got me posted.
Them my guys, man. They clean it up. I hear they clean, man. I love this, man. Downtown Memphis. Y'all see we right there about the Fed, that form down there. You see them Camaros down there, they down there chilling. I like they lined up, they looking good. But yeah, that's where we at. But yeah, they down there. The police ain't saying nothing, everybody cool. So we good. Go back down here with my team. We rocking, man. We rocking out here, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all later. Yes, sir. We out here.
Really? In the back? What you think, Big Word?
Nah, you wouldn't do that. So now we have to put a bullet in his cranium. We'll never know how fast this really is, now, will we?
I be posted at the stop sign on the corner. I be posted at the stop sign on the corner. We ain't going nowhere. I be posted like a light pole, posted like a tree, posted like some rookie nigga. Ain't no running home. I be posted at the stop sign on the corner. Like a brick wall. Posted at the stop sign on the corner. I see the law, nigga. What? Posted like a light pole, posted like a tree, posted like some rookie nigga. Ain't no running home. Got me posted.
I gotta hand it to you, boy. You do know how to make a grand entrance.
Shit, I ain't even rehearsed that one.
If you ain't spinning,
You
you
know,
ain't winning, man.
quick
Check it
draw.
out, man.
Breaking
Y'all
down
see
these
what's going
bills,
on,
nigga,
man.
it
Yeah,
ain't
yeah.
hard to tell.
Look at that.
He didn't go to
Come on
Yale,
now.
bitch, we working
Come
off
on
the
now.
scale. We be
Come on now.
getting mail first and $15
Don't play with
jail. Ride
Y'all
for
gotta
my
spin it.
niggas, put that on the holy grail. We got choppers, loaded.
That what's up, man. North Memphis? That was North Memphis, man. That what's up, man. Downtown Memphis, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Mr. Why Not on YouTube and Instagram, my guy. Yes, sir. That what's up now. Appreciate it, man. Man, what? Come on, man. Only in Memphis, man. Come on now. Come on. I see the big truck, man. Don't play with it. Woo. Y'all see this thing, man. Y'all see that thing? Come on, man. That thing's so hard. Yes, sir. I like that, man. They look good. Yeah, they look good. I like that. I like them ties on there. I like them. That's fine right there. Don't play with it. They clean. Everybody bolted up too. Got that green Tahoe right there. That look good. Everybody bolted up. Everybody bolted. They look good. Go on, we'll move on here. All them Chevy too. Look at all Chevy too. Boom. Boom. Y'all see it, man. I don't play with it. That what's up, man. I like them. Everybody bows up. Everybody clean too. That thing look good. Chevy gang. Chevy gang, ain't it? It's Chevy gang, gang. Yeah, I like that, man. Ooh, look at them thing, man. Come on, man. Stop playing with it. Yeah, sir, that thing clean. I like that thing, man. What's up, my guy? You good? Yes, sir. I see y'all, man. Y'all looking good, too, man. Man, look at that, man. Ooh, hard.
Come on,
How
they
that
pop
look.
this motherfucker,
Yeah, shout it out, man.
I'm gonna whoop their pussy out.
That's what's up, man. Y'all clean out here, man. Come on, man. I like that, man. Damn. That's Memphis shit, man.
That big walk dog, they listen, that's you right there, that's my baby. Yeah.
With this you right here.
Walk dog. Yeah.
Walk down.
28. Hey, I love my child.
Ooh, come on, man. Come on, man. Y'all see how they look, man. Come on. Come on, man. They looking good, man. Yeah. Where they walked out. They look good, man. All of them. Look at that thing, man. Look at these wheels on that thing, man. I like that. Look at that. That thing hard. I like the tires on that. Everybody clean. Everybody clean. The whole thing. They cleaned up down here. Even them, I like how they sitting up. I think they about 24, 26. 24. Oh, got one riding through on them. Yeah. He looking good, but let's go back and look at this thing right here. We ain't done. Everybody clean. Chevy gang, man. Chevy gang.
Sniggling special right here.
What is?
It's that sniggling special right here. You gonna catch a bitch in there, man. You might catch a bitch in there, man.
You might, huh? Don't play with it, man. Dog, man. You can't see nothing. You can't see nothing. What? How you doing? They looking good out here, though, man. Yeah. Which car y'all taking? Which one you taking? Which one you want? You take the purple one?
That one's nice.
You taking the purple one too? Cuz, give your keys up. They taking your car.
I got it.
They got the car note. All right, my guy, man. I'm gonna turn the camera back on in a minute, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, guy, you know, I'm back up in here, man. You know where it is, man. We downtown having a good time, man. Look, check this out. If y'all ain't hit that like button by now, man, go ahead and please hit that like button for your guy. If you ain't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to your boy channel, man. Well, we downtown, man. We feeling pretty good out here. I got the gang with me, man. We down here chilling, you hear me? And then what's going on, man? Let me turn the camera around. Let y'all see my guys, man. See my guys, man. Yeah, y'all see him, man. Hey, man, check this out, man. Y'all see what's going on. Don't play with it. Y'all see what's going on. I don't gotta say no more. Got my guy up in the house, man. What to do, homie? What to do, man?
So, man, y'all see what's going on, but I don't know if y'all know what's going on. Y'all know we're doing it big out here in the Memphis 10, man. That on what, man. It's your boy Stay Rich, you know what I'm saying, man. Ready to knock a bitch, man. Y'all can tell I couldn't wait to get at this motherfucking time.
Drill check, man. Come on, man. Hey, look, y'all stop playing with my guy.
Like the pink feather on the bitch, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hey, man. You see I got this Smurf shit, man.
Yeah, look at that
bitch like some Smurf shit,
Come on,
man. You know what I'm
man.
saying?
Y'all stop playing with my guy, man. Y'all stop playing with him for real. For real. Hey, look, come
Man,
on.
we got some shit that we clicking the heels at these bitches, man. Hey, ho. Hey, bitch. Come here, bitch. You know. So the whole world's coming, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Oh, hey, look, guy. Hey, look. I gotta take my hat off. Hold on. Let me get serious, y'all. Hey, my guy tripping, man. That's my guy, though, man. Oh, man. Yo, what's up, man? You good? You good? You wanna shout something out, man? Shout that joke out, man. Yeah, man. Come on.
You know what it is, man. Mopar Yo on your hoe, man. You know
Come
what
on,
it
man.
is.
Y'all know what it is, man. Mopar Yo, man. Mopar Yo _901. Go check him out on Instagram. Give my boy a follow. That's my guy, Mr. Stay Rich 901, man. Y'all Go check these guys out on Instagram, man. Follow their YouTube. I mean, they TikTok, Instagram, whatever they got going on. My guy got some words for you, though. Where we at? What's going on, man? What is up, man? Who are you, man?
Ghost Hustler, man. 901, man.
Y'all know what it is. Y'all know my guy Ghost Hustler, man, 901. Y'all go follow my guy. Check my guy out. He got something exclusive. Y'all go follow, check it Instagram out on Instagram out. He got something exclusive coming for you. Big Q, what's up, man?
Man, what's up, Mr. Wanda?
Tell me something good.
Man, shit, man, we making it out here, man.
You making it.
Hey, let me see, baby.
That's what I'm talking about. Let me see that shirt, man. I like that, man.
Oh,
like
yeah,
that.
custom, you know what I'm
Y'all
saying?
see that double AMC.
Yeah, we make these, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see it,
Y'all
man.
see
We
that AA,
we
man.
making these,
Y'all
dog.
stop playing, man. Y'all know what it is, double AMC. Y'all see that A right there. Come on now. Me and my guys out here. I'm finna go holler at her over here, sitting in the car. Cause she just sitting in the car. What she doing? What you eating?
I'm eating on a
Let me see
chicken
what
patty.
you eating.
Don't tell them about what I'm eating.
She over here sitting over eating in the car, but y'all see who it is. Y'all see that pink up in that thing, man. Y'all stop playing. Ooh, y'all stop playing with her. Y'all stop playing with her. Come on now. Let's go back over here one more time. She gonna fix the hair. She was finna bite that food though.
Yeah, I was, y'all.
Hey, we gonna let her get through eating, man. My guy, you all right? You good?
Chilling, man.
You chilling?
Chilling.
Okay, man.
I'm actually chilling.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey! But they're chill out here. The kids out here chilling. Let me go see these kids over here. Let's go holler at the kids right here. What's up, kid? How y'all doing? What's up? What's up?
I did your kind of game.
You put my car in the... Hold on. You put my car in the game?
It's different. I changed it.
Y'all got Instagram, Facebook?
I got Facebook.
What's your Facebook?
I don't have Facebook. Oh, you got
Let me see. You put my
Facebook?
car in the game? Let me see. Hey, y'all. He say he put my car in the game.
In the bed.
Man, that's so hard, man. Oh, that's hard. I like that, man. You did that? So you follow me? That's what's up, man. I appreciate that. That look good. That's what's up. Look, hey, that's very respectful. My guy put my car on a game, so that's hard. I like that. He followed me on YouTube and all that, so he really does. He followed me. So look, I'm gonna turn the camera back on in a minute. Holler at you in a minute. A lot of music playing. Dang reflected too, boy.